Welcome to the Global Expo held in your city Shillong Polo parking lot from the 28th of July to the 13th of August. In this expo, along with the stalls of Afghanistan and Japan, Thailand, Bangladesh, stalls of different states of the country are set up, in which you will get to see and buy the best products from the front of the neat to the decorative items.
The police produced the members of the newly formed terrorist organization arrested on Tuesday in the East Khasi Hills District Sessions Court today.From, where the court sent him to police custody for 8 days. It may be known that the Meghalaya Police on Tuesday busted a newly formed terrorist organization and arrested 7 of its leaders. It was informed by the police that those arrested include the organization's president, commander-in-chief, General Secretary and Area Commander of West Khasi Hills and Jaintia Hills, besides a woman and a juvenile. Police said that after the information, several operations were conducted from Tuesday morning, after which the 7 were caught. Marak said in a statement that efforts are also being made to arrest other members of the organization. He told that this organization has been found to have links with a militant organization of Nagaland.